It's our own development.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Gajala, iba Prestone Tynsong, henne kasngi ila Ther Tyngeh ya UMLA ka North Shillong, iba adelbot nongrum, iba la bu jingkali ya karai chong ka sorkar, ban baha iway point saw akar ka khandau, na kabenta ban penkenria ya kibriu kibasa hathem yo maulong. Iba Prestone ila pensyai Halor ka Jingkynthoh ba syadien jong kani ka jing baha khandau. Bat ong ba kani ka chaka kam day ka ba shu IA syakite kilong yeng Henry ka day na kabenta ka Shillong Municipal Board. Iba Tynsong ila ong ru ba don kam banda tip shua ya ka jing shisha bat ila khot ya kitu ki ba kwa jing pensyai ban ya kren markmat bat i.
Without knowing the reality, without knowing even the actual numbers of the residents of that place. So I don't want to debate, I don't want to waste time with this kind of issues which they raise. Number two, when we say we need additional land of 1.4 or 1.5 acres, means this land will not be transferred to these people. It should be transferred, it should be handed over to Shillong Municipal Board. Simple. It does not belong to them. This land belongs to the Shillong Municipal Board. That's what I'm saying. Don't play politics unnecessarily. If you need clarification, come and meet me. I will explain to you everything. So you can't just mislead people. I think enough is enough.